Justin and Brenda, I had run my little business by myself for 10 or 11 years. I did fine. I controlled everything. But what they taught me was two things. One, you actually need people who know what they're doing to expand your business. I knew my business, but I didn't know marketing, and I didn't want to know marketing. I wanted to work on my business. I didn't want to work on the marketing world. And you need people that know that world in order for it to work. The year before I worked with them, and the year after I worked with them, my revenue went up by about 20%. What's happened to my business now is it just runs with a higher sophistication level. The systems that have been put in place, the way the website works, the way the calendar and making appointments with clients and customers works, it just operates at like a next level up from where I was before. I don't have any doubt that when somebody comes to my website and they see that there's a system in place, they see that there's a sophistication in place, that it helps give them trust that I know what I'm doing. And also those systems and working with the team, Justin and Brenda, the whole team, has just made it easier for me to do my work, and to do the parts of the work that I frankly don't want to do because they're good at it and I'm not. And it has made my work week and my work month just easier. It's like lifted some burden from me, which I really appreciate.